Lesson 7. Simple editing for beginners. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. Apps like YouTube Studio, CapCut, or iMovie make it easy. All you really need to do is trim the beginning and end, maybe add a title, and adjust the volume. Start with the basics. As you get comfortable, you can add music, captions, or transitions, but none of that is required. Your goal is clarity, not fancy effects. Welcome back to our series. Today, we're diving into Lesson 7, Simple Editing for Beginners. If you've been following along, you now know how to shoot great footage. But what happens next? Let's turn those raw clips into a polished video that you'll be proud to share. Don't worry, this is way easier than it sounds. First things first, you need editing software. There are amazing free options available for both your phone and computer. For mobile apps like CapCut or InShot are fantastic and super user-friendly. If you're on a desktop, DaVinci Resolve offers a powerful free version, and even Windows and Mac have built-in editors that are perfect for starting out. Just pick one and let's get going. Once you have your software, import your clips. This is usually just a simple drag and drop. Now, look at your timeline. This is where the magic happens. The most basic and important tool you'll use is the cut or split tool. It looks like a little razor blade. Use it to trim the beginning and end of your clips, getting rid of any awkward pauses or moments where you are just getting ready. Next, let's arrange our clips. Think about the story you want to tell. Put your clips in a logical order. Maybe you start with a wide shot to set the scene, then move to a closer shot for details. Just drag and drop them on the timeline until the flow feels right. Watch it back a few times. Does it make sense? Is it engaging? Don't be afraid to move things around. Now, for a little polish, let's add some simple transitions. A cross dissolve is a great, gentle way to move from one clip to another. Most software has a transitions library. Just drag your chosen effect between two clips. But a word of advice, less is more. Stick to simple fades and dissolves to keep your video looking clean and professional. Avoid the flashy star wipes for now. Finally, let's add some background music. Music is key for setting the mood. Find a royalty-free track online from sites like the YouTube audio library. Import the music file and place it on an audio track below your video clips. Adjust the volume so it complements your video without overpowering any spoken words. A good rule of thumb is to keep the music volume low, just enough to be felt. And that's it, your first edited video. The process is simple. Import, trim, arrange, add transitions, and drop in some music. Once you're happy, find the export or render button to save your final video file. You've just taken a huge step in your video creation journey. Practice these basic steps, and you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching Lesson 7. If this was helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.